Hey, stop the car! Stop the car! Stop! Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop the
At 5:16 in the morning on February 20th, 2026, Antioch police officers were dispatched to the Food Max supermarket on the 4500 block of Lone Tree Way after reports of a robbery in progress. Surveillance footage shows a suspect backing an SUV directly into the store's glass front doors, followed by 3 men entering the building. A store employee reported that one of the suspects was armed and had threatened him. Officers arrived roughly 3 minutes later, and what unfolded next would send one of them on an unwanted 2-mile ride. Officer Donaldson was knocked into vehicle as D'Souza accelerated into the store.
You got a vehicle in the store.
Let me see that! Hey! Get out! Get out! Get out! 6! Get down! Get down! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hey! Hey! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hey! Stop the car! Stop the car! Hey! Stop the car! Stop!
Get out the car, bro.
Stop the car!
Get out.
Stop the car!
Get out.
Stop the car!
Get out. I'm gonna crash.
Hey!
I'm gonna crash. I'm gonna crash.
All right, stop the car!
Crash.
Stop the car!
I'm gonna crash. Get out the car, bro.
All right, stop! Stop!
Throw the gun out.
Stop!
Throw the gun out. I'm gonna crash this.
Stop the car!
Get out
Stop the car!
Get out the car, bro.
Hey! Stop!
I'm
Stop!
gonna crash, bro.
Don't! It's not worth it!
Hey, it is worth it, bro. I got family, bro.
All right, talk to me!
No,
Talk
bro.
to me! Talk to me! Talk to me! Talk to me!
Officer Donaldson tried putting the vehicle into neutral as D'Souza continually pulled the officer's hand off the gear shift.
That's not gonna work.
Stop! I'll shoot! I will shoot your ass! Stop!
I got a family. Just get out, bro. Please.
Stop!
Just get out the car, bro.
Stop!
D'Souza continually told Officer Donaldson to jump out of the moving vehicle.
Stop!
Just get out the car.
Stop! I'm not gonna jump. You need to stop the car for me to get out.
Okay, you're not gonna shoot me?
Yeah, I'm not gonna shoot you. I would have shot you already.
Okay, just get out.
Stop! Stop!
I'm gonna get out. Just,
Stop!
I'm
Stop!
gonna go like 10 miles an hour.
Stop!
I'm
Stop
gonna
the
go
car!
like 10. I'm gonna go like 10.
Stop the
I'm
car!
gonna go down, bro. I don't trust you.
Stop the car! I will shoot you.
I'm not gonna do this, I promise, bro.
Okay, stop then. Stop! You need to stop.
Kill us, bro. You're gonna kill us, bro.
You need to stop. Hey, stop the car! Stop the car!
Don't do it.
Stop the. Stop the car!
Don't do it.
Officer Donaldson intentionally shot D'Souza in the leg to reduce the likelihood of a fatality to D'Souza, himself, and members of the community.
Stop! Stop the car!
I'm about to get out.
Stop the car! Stop the. Stop! I will shoot you! I will shoot you! Stop!
D'Souza's vehicle collided with a parked car and he fled on foot. D'Souza's vehicle continued rolling and came to a rest in the yard of a nearby home.
Shots fired!
Officer Donaldson attempted to transmit on his police radio, but it was shut off during the struggle.
C5, one shot fired. Subject's bailed out of the car.
Two of the three suspects fled on foot when officers arrived. The third, 23-year-old Dominic D'Souza, rammed the SUV into an occupied patrol car. Officer Travis Donaldson approached the vehicle and engaged in a physical struggle with D'Souza. Surveillance footage shows Donaldson being knocked into the SUV as D'Souza reversed into the store a second time, and the vehicle then left the scene, with Donaldson trapped in the passenger seat. For the next 2 miles, Donaldson repeatedly commanded D'Souza to stop while also attempting to put the vehicle into neutral. D'Souza refused every command, telling the officer to get out and warning he was going to crash the car rather than go to jail. Donaldson warned him he would shoot. D'Souza didn't stop. Donaldson fired once, striking D'Souza in the leg. The SUV struck a parked car and came to rest in the yard of a nearby home. D'Souza fled on foot but was found hiding in bushes a short time later and taken into custody. He was transported to the hospital for non-life-threatening injuries. Donaldson suffered minor injuries. No one else was hurt.
Slow down. One command. Just one person get command. Sir, you got it?
You in the bushes! Let me see your down! He's not moving.
Yeah, go. Get up there, walk across.
Here, all of your hands. I'll sit in taser. I got him right here.
Don't move.
Let me see both your hands right now. You're gonna get tased.
You're gonna get tased. You can see your hand. Put your hands out. Like an airplane. Alright?
Let's see the other hand.
No, hands up. Keep your hands up. Do not move them until I tell you to. Do not move them until I tell you.
D'Souza was charged with kidnapping, robbery, assault with a deadly weapon on a police officer, 2 counts of burglary, grand theft, and unlawful taking of a vehicle. He is currently being held without bail with a court appearance scheduled for June 5th. The investigation is being led by the Antioch Police Department Investigations Bureau in coordination with the Contra Costa County District Attorney's Office under the county's Law Enforcement Involved Fatal Incident Protocol. Officer Donaldson and the other officers involved were placed on paid administrative leave per department policy. The case remains under active review.